As I was traveling from south of the Jordan, from Aqaba towards north again, I passed through the one city of Kerak in the middle of the Jordan. As I was passing through, from the left side, as you can see in the video, I saw one huge castle. It's Castle Al-Kerak. It's Crusaders' castle, and it's one of the largest Crusaders' castles in Lavrens. Lavrens is a huge portion of Middle East, and construction began in 1140s by pagan and folk king of Jerusalem. It's very beautiful. You can see like some stones. You can have a great view of Kerak city from there. Crusaders called it Kerak in Moab, as it is referred until now in history books. After I visited the castle, the guy who dropped me off, he wanted to help me and wait for me for a few minutes till I visit the castle and bring me back to the highway so I can hitchhike back towards north. I saw that it's very late and it's 2 hours till dark, so I have no chance to succeed in that, and I asked him to leave me in some church where I can ask someone to sleep inside, because in Jordan they are locking the churches. There is these big fence that nobody can jump, and I can put just my sponge there and I will sleep under the key and safe. But the church was already closed and I go to the institution next to it. There is some charity institution. At the time they were helping some Syrian refugees. And the employees over there, when they heard about my story, they were offering me their houses to go there and stay there, and I accepted to go in one house where there is parents and they have daughter around about my age. So let's see how that happened. So right now I'm in Kerak and I came to church to ask for these people for help, and they invited me to Caritas. Thank them so much. They are helping to Syrian people a lot, and now I'm invited for one of their members to go in his house with his family to meet their culture and Christians side of Arabs. So thank you so much.
The village is named Adder.
Yes. Adder? Thank you so much. So I'm in Adder. It's a village in Jordan. I was invited with this beautiful family to stay in their house, and I had lunch with them. And now 2 of us, we are going to church. And this village, more than half of this village is Christian. And we are going to meet some Christian people and to see how they live and what is their culture. And yep, so I cover my hair. It means that I will go to visit a church. The first church I'm going to visit in this village is a Latin church. And what is the name of the church? Next to this church we see this interesting place. This is a simulation of Golgotha. This hill and the cross. Golgotha is a place in Jerusalem where Jesus was crucified. We are going to visit the Roman church underground here. It is a very old church, and the Romans built this when the first Christian started to grow, and they were hiding from another people who were trying to kill them. So they were living underground, and they were making churches underground. This is the church. This is the church? Yes. Hmm? In the past, yes. So this is Priest Aldi. He's from Italy. He built a lot of churches and a lot of schools here in this village. And here, in the another side of the, so it was church before, and here it is his tomb in the stone. And now we enter the yard of Orthodox church. Here is the home for the priest, and here is the church. Priest is from where? From Greece?
No, he is from Adir, from Jordan.
Inside of this yard we have a Christmas tree. It's not Christmas, but every Christmas they light this Christmas tree, the light, and they are celebrating, and they have big festival here. This is the church. شكرا. السلام عليكم. Shop. It's very old, and it's Christian shop. So at first I thought that they are selling Christians, but it's not. They are selling some chips and stuff like that. It's this shop. It's here. It's closed. It's closed. Syrian grapes, and there is no insect because of this bag. They put it in the tree, and when they need the grapes they just take it and they eat the grapes.
That's cute.
Very delicious. So I'm visiting now one family, and they have in front of their house this. It's very beautiful, and it's in someone's house. Wow! So I'm invited in this family. No, ما في مشكلة. I'm invited in this family, and they are very kind and very happy to invite me, and that I stay in their house. That they invited me to stay one more day. Every Arabs, so also Arab Christians, they work, and after long day of work and school, they sit together and they speak, they drink tea, and they eat some fruit, and yeah, and they are speaking, and everybody is happy.
Hello.
Now everybody stop speaking because I make this video.
How are you?
أنا منيحة.
مين؟
جوان إذا بكون بأمريكي هاري ابعد أنت وياه بسرعة خلص يا راسي.
برافو.
صوري انت على الكاميرا.
زين انت صور فيديو من عندك.
على الكاميرات تصوري.
يا ما يسلمون.
بعد أمريكانا عمالك بلش يلا قولي غني
غني.
رد علي. روح عند ابوك. عيب يا رجال.
بطيق في الشغل.
أنا اللي تصمت على التليفون بعرف.
يلا ماما غني.
والله يا رداجة كنت سكت لي 2 مليون.
ثانك يو. شكرا.
يلا انا بغني معك.
أنا بلاقي لعب شوب. بلاش خلاص.
This was Arabic music and a great night with these people, really. Thank you for inviting me. Now we are making a birthday surprise, yes. And everything looks so yummy.
My father age 8 years.
Birthday to Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo!
Thank you very much.
Outside.
خلاص وين؟
خلص ثلاثة. كم بليز. يا ريت تسألوني 8 بس.
شكرا شكرا.
Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment down below what you like, what you don't like, so I will be best. I will be better in my videos. Yeah. This will be my next video, and this is the video that YouTube recommends for you to watch. So stay tuned and see you. Bye.